the RTS eGuru. Today we are going to learn Unit 13. In Unit 13, how much is this purse? Okay, this is the unit title, and in this unit you will learn the following: how to buy things, how to talk about hobbies, skills and interests, how to give advice. Here are the words you will learn to use: any, bag, box, cartoon, cash, ceiling, credit card, do, door, drugstore, egg, floor, guitar, make, need, news, new, not news, old or piano, play, room, some, toothbrush, toothpaste, trumpet, tube, violin, wait, waiting room, wall, window. Here are some phrases you will learn to use. No problem, that's okay. Do you take? Do you have? How's your now? You should. Here are some sentences you will practice. I play the guitar. She playing the violin. Do you play the trumpet? Do you have any banana? You should take some tablets. Distinction between grammar tip is distinction between present simple tense and present continuous tense. I play the piano. He is playing the piano. I play the violin. She is playing the violin. I play the trumpet. He is playing the trumpet. I play the guitar. She is playing the guitar. Let's revise picture. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8. Let's move to the next page. I play the piano. Picture 1. Picture 2. Do you play the piano? Picture 3. No, I don't play the piano. Picture 4. I play the trumpet. Picture 5. Do I play the trumpet? Picture 6. No, I don't play the trumpet. Picture 7. I play the violin. Picture 8. Do you play the violin? Picture 9. I don't play the trumpet. Picture 10. I don't play trumpet. Picture 11. Do you play trumpet? Picture 12. Yes, I do. Let's revise this page, then we will move to the next page. It's your turn to repeat and read. Picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. I don't play the piano. Do you play the piano? Picture 2. Picture 3. Yes, I do. Picture 4. I don't play the violin. Picture 5. Do you play the violin? Picture 6. Yes, I do. Picture 7. You fill the blanks. Picture 7. Okay, let me do it. I play the guitar. Picture 8. You do it. Okay, let me answer it. Do you play the trumpet? Picture 9. Okay, I will answer that. No, I don't. I play the violin. Picture 10. I play the violin. Picture 11. Do you play the violin? Picture 12. You do this. No, I don't. I play trumpet. Revise it. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12. Let's move to the next page. You fill this. Picture 1, fill in the blanks. I play the piano. Picture 2, it's your turn. Do you play the piano? Picture 3. No, I don't. I play the guitar. Picture 4. I play the trumpet. Picture 5. Do you play the trumpet? Picture 6. Yes, I play the trumpet. Okay, you can pause these before I answer and you can practice. Okay, you can check your learnings by filling these gaps. Picture 7. I play the guitar. Picture 8. Do you play the guitar? Picture 9. Yes, I do. Picture 10. I play the piano. Picture 11. Do you play the piano? Picture 12. Yes, I do. Let's repeat it. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. Picture 7. Picture 8. Picture 9. Picture 10. Picture 11. Picture 12. Let's move to the next page. An old car. A new car. He needs a new car. An old pair of shoes. A new pair of shoes. He needs a new pair of shoes. A ticket. Do you need tickets? Repeat this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, and picture 8. It's time to move to the next page. I have some nuts. Picture 1. Picture 2. Do you have any nuts? Picture 3. No, I don't have any nuts. Picture 4. I have some cash. Picture 5. Do you have any cash? Picture 6. No, I don't have any cash. Picture 7. I have some orange juice. Now you fill this. Do we have any orange juice? Do we have some orange juice? Not any. Any is we use with countable things. No, we don't have orange juice. Let's repeat it. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9. Let's move to the next page. I have some bananas. I don't have any bananas. Do you have any banana? Yes, sorry, I don't. Picture 3. Do you have any bananas? Yes, I do. Picture 4. Do you need any help? Yes. How much that purse? Picture 5. Do you need any help? Yes. How much are those? Picture 6. Some cash, a credit card. Picture 7. Cash or credit? Credit, please. Picture 9. Do you take Visa? Sure, no problem. Let's move to the next page. Stop. Picture 1. Picture 2. Wait. Picture 3. Go. Picture 4. Wait for me. Picture 5. Let's wait for him. Sure. We will wait. Picture 6. Thanks for waiting. That's okay. No problem. Picture 7. Wall, ceiling, window, door, floor, uh, a room. A room, floor, door, ceiling, wall, window. Picture 8. A waiting room. Okay, let's revise this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, and this is all about this page. Let's move to the next page. How is? How's? Are you alright? No, I have a headache. Picture 2. I'm sorry to hear that. Picture 3. How's your headache now? It's worse. It's very bad. Picture 3. You should take some tablet. Picture 5. Picture 6. How's your headache now? Picture 7. Picture 8. Some chips. A bag of chips. Picture 9. An egg. Picture 10. Cartoon of eggs. Picture 11. A tablet. Picture 12. A box of tablets. Picture 13. A toothbrush. Some toothpaste. Picture 14. A tube of toothpaste. Let's revise this. Picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. Picture 7. Picture 8. Picture 9. Picture 10. Picture 12. Picture 11. Picture 12. Picture 13. And picture 14. Let's move to the next page. The Bensons. It's a beautiful evening, isn't it? Yes, it's lovely. Picture 2. How's your headache? It's worse. It's very bad. I need some tablets. Picture 3. Can you stop at the drugstore? Okay, no problem. Picture 4. Can you wait, please? No problem. Picture 5. Can I help you? My sister has a bad headache. Do you have any headache tablet? Picture 6. Sure. These tablets are very good. They will make her headache better. Let's repeat them. Picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. Let's move to the next page. Picture 7. How much are they? $19. Picture 8. They are that's very expensive. Do you have any cheaper tablet? Yes. These are $8, but expensive tablets are much better. Picture 9. Do you have a smaller box of expensive tablets? No, I'm sorry. I don't have. Picture 10. Okay, I'll take these. Do you take Visa? No, sure. No problem. Sure, no problem. Picture 11. Drug outside of the drugstore. And picture 12. That's the card. Visa card. Okay, let's revise this first. Picture 7. Picture 8. Picture 9. Picture 10. Picture 11. And picture 12. So this is all about unit 13. We will meet in the next video with the next unit. See you then.